Hello 12th class. Once again I am here with new topic, that is isometric exercise. It's just brief introduction. Isometric exercise is derived from the Latin word which means same length, and this exercise introduced and developed by Hettinger and Muller. Main purpose of this training or this exercise to develop tremendous strength and endurance through exercise. In this exercise, muscle contracts after providing lot of pressure or force on the muscles. It contracts, but it does not move. No visible movement can seen in this exercise. No movement. So it seems like that means work is done zero. It's a physics theory also, formula also. Force into distance moved towards the direction of force. It's a theory. I'll give you the simple example. In this exercise, muscle contracts. Pressure comes on the flexor and extensor muscles. But no, and muscle fiber lengthen in the exercise. So, simple example of this training. So many examples. Chair position, half squat position. Sometime you get the punishment also. You are making chair position. So it's an exercise. When you are remain in same position for some time, so pressures come on your muscles. So muscles fiber lengthens. Another example, wall press. Suppose if I'll say go and push the wall from one place to another place. Is it possible? No, you cannot shift the wall. But what happens when you will try to push the wall? Pressures come on your muscles because wall did not move, so no movement. But movement will not come in your body also. But what happens? Pressures come in your muscles and muscle fibers lengthen. Another example we can see here, that is erect position. Standing in erect position. Erect position, you can stand for 2 minutes or 3 minutes in one position. Even if you want to provide more pressure on your body, you can hold something, book or load on your hands without movement. Like that you can stand like that. So this is the isometric exercise. So this is the general or simple introduction. So okay, bye.